If you close your eyes and think of Wall Street, you probably picture a room full of people shouting, waving papers, and fighting for every cent. That Wall Street is dead. In 2026, the heart of the US stock market doesn't beat in the chests of human traders, it pulses in the server racks of high-frequency AI algorithms. The shouting has been replaced by silence, the silence of machines executing thousands of trades in the time it takes you to blink. We are witnessing the greatest rewrite of the financial blueprint in history. The rules that govern the markets for 100 years have been deleted. Today, it's not about who has the most information, it's about who has the fastest intelligence. Welcome to Blueprint Insights. Today, we decode how AI is rewriting the rules of the US stock market and what it means for your money. Beyond the chart, the data explosion. In the old world, a good trader looked at price charts and earnings reports. In 2026, AI looks at everything. We are talking about alternative data on a scale that is hard to imagine. AI algorithms are now analyzing satellite imagery of retail parking lots to predict quarterly sales before they are even announced. They are scanning millions of social media posts to gauge the exact sentiment of the public in real time. They are even using voice stress analysis on CEO interviews to detect if a leader is lying about their company's future. While a human trader is still reading the morning news, an AI has already processed 10 million data points and executed a $1 million position. The efficient market hypothesis is being pushed to its absolute limit. If there is a pattern, the AI will find it. If there is a gap, the AI will close it. The rise of the machines, HFT and black boxes. But here is where it gets dangerous. Over 90% of the volume on the US stock market is now driven by AI. We have entered the era of black box trading, where algorithms are so complex that even their creators don't fully understand why they make certain decisions. This has led to the rise of flash crashes, where the market can drop 10% and recover in seconds because a group of AI bots started selling at the same time. We are no longer in a market driven by human fear and greed. We are in a market driven by machine logic and mathematical triggers. For the retail investor, the question is, can you even compete? When you're fighting against a neural network that has $1 billion infrastructure and zero latency connection to the exchange, are you just a spectator in a game you can't win? The new blueprint for wealth. So is the individual investor doomed? Not necessarily. The blueprint hasn't disappeared, it has evolved. While you can't beat the AI at speed, you can leverage it for strategy. In 2026, the most successful investors aren't the ones trying to outtrade the machines, they are the ones using personal AI advisors to manage their portfolios. We are seeing a democratization of elite financial tools. What used to be reserved for Goldman Sachs is now available on your smartphone. The key to winning in this new market is understanding that the rules have shifted from technical analysis to algorithmic awareness. You don't need to be faster than the machine, you need to be smarter about which machine you follow. The market is being rebuilt in silicon. It's time to update your portfolio. The US stock market is no longer a human institution, it is a digital ecosystem. 2026 is the year the blueprint became fully autonomous. At Blueprint Insights, our goal is to keep you ahead of the machines and on the right side of the profit. The rules have changed, but the opportunity to build wealth has never been greater. If you're ready to master the new financial frontier, subscribe to Blueprint Insights. Let's build the future, one trade at a time. Thank you for watching.